Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. So in last tutorial, and that means in tutorial 3, I introduced you with the protein data bank, and I explained how to download protein structure from the protein data bank. So now in this video, I am going to introduce you with few chemical compound databases. So I have selected 6 very important chemical databases, and now I am going to introduce you with these chemical databases. So the chemical databases which I have selected are PubChem database, ChemSpider database, ChEMBL database, ZINC database, DrugBank database, and IMPPAT. So these are the 6 databases which I have selected. So first of all, I am going to introduce you with the PubChem database. For PubChem database, type in Google PubChem, and this is the link for opening PubChem database. And click here to open the PubChem database. So this is the home page of PubChem database. PubChem is a free chemical database provided by National Center for Biotechnology Information, that means NCBI. And this database contains information on the biological activities of small molecules and is widely used for drug discovery, chemical research, and toxicology study. So you can see here there are more than 115 million compounds are available. They are three-dimensional or two-dimensional structures are available in this database, and this is the largest free chemical database. Okay, so you can there is a search page. You can type the name of your chemical compound. Also you can search to the smile format which are available, or if you want to draw the structure of the chemical compound, you can draw here. There is an option. You can draw the structure of the chemical compound here, or the chemical compounds which are very similar in structure. So initially you can use an input here, and now I'm going to search the structure. So the similar structure will appear as a result. So zero results are found, that means there is no similar structure there. But you can modify your search, you can refine your search by drawing the structure here. Okay, this is one option. And you can type the name of your chemical compound, like I am typing here telmisartan, one of the important antihypertensive drug. So you can see here this is the information about telmisartan, and click here to open. The page is opening, and you can get information about the telmisartan here. All the details are available, associated research papers are available, similar compound structure are available, and the structure of this chemical compound in different formats are available, and their molecular formula, molecular weight, properties, 2D structure information, 3D conformer, everything, and the papers, associated papers, everything is available. You can check it here, and detail of the paper of the synthesis of that chemical compound. And for structure, you can download the structure from here. So you can see different formats are available. SDF formats are JSON, XML, but I suggest always download the SDF format. Okay, the SDF formats are available in 2D and 3D. You can download any one, but 3D SDF is better. So you can click here to download this structure. So structure will be downloaded in 3D SDF format. So from this 3D SDF format, you can convert it into other formats like PDB, MOL2, MOL, different types of formats are there. So you can convert the structural format. So, one software is very popular software, OpenBubble, is there. In subsequent video, I will explain how to use this OpenBubble software to convert into different formats. And don't worry about the formats, it's a very simple thing. Like in case of normally image, what we see, there are PNG, TIFF format, or PDF, or JPG format. So they are the same thing, that means they are image but with different property. So the formats contain different types of features, but actually they contain information about that structure, but in with different features. But you can interconvert this format. So in subsequent video, I will explain how to interconvert this format using OpenBubble. So don't worry about the format. So next database is ChemSpider database. It's also a free database. In Google, you can type ChemSpider, and the link of the ChemSpider will open. This is the link for opening ChemSpider database. So it's similar to the PubChem database, this ChemSpider database. Also, it's a free web server or database. Okay, so this ChemSpider database is maintained by the Royal Society of Chemistry and is a free chemical structure database that offers access to over 58 million chemical compounds. Okay, for drug discovery or other things. There is a search page and you can type the name of your chemical compound and you can download the structure, different formats. So our next database is ChEMBL database. In Google, you have to type ChEMBL and the link of ChEMBL database will open. I'm clicking here to open the ChEMBL database. And the primary focus of this ChEMBL database is the collection of compounds with known drug-like properties and their interaction with protein. Okay, so this makes this ChEMBL as a valuable resource for drug discovery and pharmacological research. That means mainly those compounds which might have any drug-like activities are mainly stored in the ChEMBL database. That's why it's so useful for drug discovery. So this is the search page. Here you can type the name of your chemical compound. You see here there is one example, imatinib, as ERB2 brain, ERB2 receptor blocker possibly. So this is the imatinib drug. So you can type here the name of this drug or any other drug and typing here imatinib, and you can get the information about this chemical compound and also about the target. Associate paper are also there. The next database is ZINC database. Is very important database. So in Google you have to type ZINC database and the link for opening ZINC database will open. This is the link. And this is a commercial chemical compound database. That means not only drug molecules, all types of chemical molecules are present, but particularly those chemical compounds are present which are available for purchase. That means not only for synthetic drug molecules, here those drugs with the information of their manufacturer companies are also available. So if any chemical compound is present in ZINC database, so there is also associated information where to purchase this chemical compound, which are the companies which are producing this chemical compound. That's why if you choose any drug from the ZINC database, you will easily get information about the manufacturer and you can purchase it through contacting them. Okay, so this is the largest database of commercial chemical compounds. The the website or this database is free, but this database contains information about the commercial chemical compound. So moving to the next database, that is DrugBank. It's also a free database, and in Google you have to type DrugBank, and the link for DrugBank will open. And these database mainly contain information about the approved drug. That means drugs which are already available in the market for treating different kind of disease. And in addition, those chemical compounds which are experimental, or the chemical compounds which are in clinical trials. That means some activity they have, and experiments are going on or clinical trials are going on to test their efficacy. So not only synthetic chemical compounds, all synthetic chemical compounds are not available. Okay, only the approved drug, experimental drug, or the drugs which are in clinical trial, their information is available in the drug bank. So similarly, uh, there is a search page. You can type the name of the chemical compound, like I am typing here metformin. This drug is used to treat diabetes mellitus type 2. And one of the useful features which are present in every database, that searching through the chemical structure. Okay, so in every database you can find this kind of area where you can draw the structure of chemical compound. Okay, or you can paste the smile format of any chemical compound here. The structure will be automatically drawn. Like in case of telmisartan, you see I can get the smile format of this telmisartan from here, from the PubChem database. This is the canonical smile. I am copying it from here, and in the DrugBank, Control and V and pressing. You can see I have pasted only the smile format here through Control V, pressing Control plus V, and the structure is automatically drawn. And you can search this database by selecting the similarity threshold. That means the chemical compounds which are similar in structure with these drug molecules. And you can refine your search by selecting the molecular weight range and maximum result obtained, and also refine the search whether the drug, the approved drugs or VAT approved, or withdrawn, which drugs have been withdrawn from the market, or experimental compounds. So I am selecting here approved and clicking on the search button. You can see only one result, because this when I have put in use input as telmisartan, it's showing that only one similar drug is present, that is telmisartan. So you can modify this structure and you can get similar structure among the approved drugs or experimental, or the drugs which are in clinical trial, and you can get the similar drug. Okay, and these features is available in most of the database where you can draw the structure. And finally, I am introducing you with the IMPPAT database. Is the database for medicinal plant, or mainly phytochemicals, and this database is a India-based database where the information about the Indian medicinal plants are available. Mainly Indian medicinal plants, the phytochemicals from Indian medicinal plants. You can see here. Similar databases are also available in the web, but as an example, I am showing you. So several search options are there: basic search, advanced search, like Indian medicinal plant. You can type here the name of the plant, like I am typing here Tulsi, the common name of a very important medicinal plant. and searching the chemical compound from tree. You can see here the chemical compounds, many phytochemical compounds which can be extracted from tulsi leaf are as follows. Okay, you can also search by the name of phytochemical, and you can check whether this phytochemical is available in your any plant of your interest or not. And you can refine your search to molecular weight, the log P, solubility of the phytochemical, hydrogen bond donor, hydrogen bond, etc. So these are different criteria using which you can refine your search to shortlist the phytochemical compound. So these are the 6 important databases. Several other databases are also there. So after downloading the chemical structure, you see I have downloaded this structure of telmisartan, and it is present in my downloaded folder. So you can convert it from 3D SDF to 3D PDB, because PDB format, Mol2 format, these formats will open in the visualization software. So that's all for today's tutorial. Okay, about the different kinds of chemical database from where you can download different kinds of small molecule chemical compounds or phytochemical compounds, and you can download them singly, that means typing one by one, and sometimes they contain in a bunch, like all the approved drugs of ZINC database. In ZINC database you can also download the chemical compound in a batch format. That means here I am downloading all the approved drugs which are available in the ZINC database in a single go. Okay, click on the substances, then subset, and there is the list of subsets. You can see here the FDA approved drugs. So there are approximately 1379 approved drugs are present, and all the structure of all these drugs are present in a single file, single SDF file. So this is the list. So all the approved drugs, but not only approved by FDA. These drugs are approved by different other authorities, and investigational drug only. Here you will get the structure of drugs which are in investigation or in clinical trial or in human clinical trial or in vitro test. Okay, so different subsets are there. So simply click here. So this is the list of all FDA approved drugs which are present in ZINC database, and you can download from here in SDF format. Other formats are also there, but it has to download in SDF. So all the 1379 drugs will be downloaded in a single folder. Okay, so download has started. Is downloading. So that's all for today's tutorial. In next tutorial, I will explain how to use the OpenBabel software for conversion of different structural format through graphical user interface and also through command line interface. OpenBabel is a very useful software. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching.